Hello, I'm Brian from How to Automotive, and today's video is all about a common question I get. I get asked all the time, is my shop holding me back? Should I move on to another shop? So I'm going to attempt to answer that question, so stay tuned for that. So, first of all, I can't 100% say for sure that a shop is holding you back, because there's two sides to every story, of course, right? But I get asked all the time, they give me all these examples of why they think they're being held back, why they can't advance, why they're stuck doing oil changes and they can't do brakes and move on up or whatever. And in some situations that may be the case, but most of the time I find that it's not necessarily the shop is holding you back, it's actually yourself holding you back. And you need to audit yourself and determine, hey, am I really doing the extra work? Am I really showing my boss that I am wanting to do the extra work and move up? One of the reasons why you may be held back is because you've had issues in the past, comebacks. If you've had they give you a simple task and you flub that, they're reluctant to give you another task. So when that situation happens, you have to work twice as hard to prove yourself. So you know what they say, for every 100 positives, all it takes is one negative to knock you down. Well, that's kind of how it is in the automotive industry. So if you're out there busting your butt and you make a mistake, it takes a little bit of time to build yourself back up. It takes a little bit of time to prove yourself. So you have to be patient. Now, if it's like you made a mistake 2 years ago and they still haven't allowed you, that might be a scenario where they're holding you back, and you may want to consider other options, So another reason why you may be held back is straight up your attitude. If you have a bad attitude about the work that they do give you, there's no way in the world going to give you any additional work or more advanced work. So you have to have a positive attitude towards the actual work that you're getting right now, and do that to the best of your ability, and then you'll be more likely to get the opportunity to move up. So attitude is huge when it comes to moving up. So you may think you deserve the opportunity, but you may actually have a bad attitude and you're holding your own self back. But say if you know for sure you have the best attitude, everybody in the shop seems to like you, or love you, including the customers, and you know that you're putting the effort in, that shop may be holding you back in that situation. But one of the things you may be doing is presenting yourself as somebody that doesn't really want want more. You may just go around and do a mediocre job at everything you do. You don't put any additional hard work or effort. You don't do anything beyond what's asking. You only do what's asked of you, and you do nothing more. And so if they're not asking you to do something, you may be standing around. And those type of people are the type of people that get looked over, and other people that they find that are hustling, that are going the extra mile. Those are the people, even if they have less seniority, those are the people that will get the opportunity to move up. So, just doing a mediocre job or just doing the basic of the job is not necessarily good enough to catch the eye of the owners, the managers and stuff, to promote you, to give you those opportunities. So my advice for you is to go above and beyond. Even if it's mopping the floor, go above and beyond and make sure you mop the hell out of that floor, and do it more often, whatever it takes to go above and beyond in that situation. And when you get that mastered down, if they give you oil changes, you go above and beyond to make sure you go through the checklist and do everything to the T, try to make the shop more money, sell, look for problems, safety issues, whatever, and make light of those matters. And if you do those, you'll more likely get an opportunity to move up. So if you see what I'm pointing out here, is a lot of this may not be the shops, it may actually be you. So audit yourself, really look deep down at yourself, really be truthful for yourself. Are you really doing everything you think you should be doing? If you are, and you feel that the shop is holding you back, then you have every right to go look for a new job and find a better place to work. I'm Brian from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos. And I'd like to wish you all the luck out there, and thank you for watching.